Hi, I'm Grace, and I'm the nutritionist here at IWG. For our fall recipe series, I wanted to make a curried cauliflower soup. I chose cauliflower because it's a very important detox food. It's full of fiber and a ton of health benefits that are going to help your hormone balance and your liver. It also uses a vegetable mineral broth, or you could use something like a bone broth, which is great for healing the gut and any sort of inflammation you have going on in that area of the body. We're also going to use curry powder, which is a very grounding spice, which is a really important benefit you want to have moving into the fall. It's also very rich in antioxidants and very anti-inflammatory. We're going to use a little filtered water from our Berkey filter, and the last ingredient is nutritional yeast. This is a deactivated yeast, so it's not something you have to worry about if you have a wheat or gluten intolerance. It also has a pretty substantial protein amount for what it is, and it's high in B vitamins.